Hey guys, so today's video is on this Dutch braided updo that I posted on my Instagram, so let's get started. So I'm just going to take this dry shampoo from Ion. I got it from Sally Beauty, and I'm going to spritz it throughout my hair like so, and then take my hands and just kind of spread it in. And then I'm taking another product from Ion. This is a serum, and I'm going to put this all throughout my hair to give it some shine. I'm going on like day 4 of dirty hair, so yeah. Then I'm going to take a comb and do a part right past my ear like so, and then I'm going to take the front section and then pin it away. If you have a clip, use that. So then I'm going to make another part towards the back of my head, and I'm just going to section it off and then clip it away. That way we have a nice big section for our Dutch braid that we're going to do. Okay, so now for the fun part, divide your hair into 3 equal sections. Take the outside strand, cross it under the middle, the other outside strand, cross it under the middle. Take the outside strand, add in a section of hair right next to it into that strand, cross it underneath the middle. Take the other outside strand, add in a section of hair right next to it, and then cross them both underneath the middle section. And then repeat. So add in a section of hair to your outside strand, cross them both underneath the middle section, and then do the same thing with the other outside strand, add in a section of hair right next to it, and then cross them both underneath the middle strand. And then you just keep doing this. So add in hair to the outside strand, cross it under the middle strand, take the other outside strand, add in hair right next to it, cross them underneath the middle strand. And 1 or 2 more times. So add in hair, cross it under the middle, add in hair, and then cross it underneath the middle. So yeah, then you just keep doing this all the way down your head. If you can do a normal braid, you can definitely do a Dutch braid. You're just doing an extra step of adding in hair to the outside strands. That's the only difference between that and a regular braid. If you're someone that struggles with braids, just keep practicing. That's what I did. I literally, when I first started braiding, sat in front of my Walmart $5 mirror and I kept doing Dutch braids and fishtail braids until I got the hang of it. They were not pretty at first, but I just kept practicing. So once you don't have any more hair to add in, then you just want to finish it off in a 3-strand braid. Now I'm taking a root volumizer and spritzing it on the Dutch braid. I like to do this little trick to help give my braids more volume and just make it easier to pancake. So now I'm just taking the outside edge of the braid and pulling it to pancake it. And I'm doing it to both sides. Then I'm just taking out my bobby pins and my clips. And then I took my hair into a ponytail, and now I'm going to do a messy bun. So I'm going to take that ponytail and then just kind of flip it around itself. And then I'm going to start bobby pinning it. The bobby pins I use are from Sally Beauty. I'll have everything in the description box. So then just keep wrapping your hair around itself. This is a messy bun, so make it messy. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can see I'm just kind of tugging on it and then pulling some hair out and then bobby pinning it again until I'm happy. Now I'm going to go back to the Dutch braid and just kind of tidy up a few pieces, and this is it. So if you want to make this more of like a glam hairstyle, maybe for like a formal or prom or something, you could throw in some curls before you do this style, and that would give you a lot of texture. But yeah, this is what I came up with. Super cute, super easy. I love Dutch braids. I don't think you can go wrong with a Dutch braid. They are seriously like the cutest braid. And once you get the hang of doing it, you'll realize just how easy they are. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please, please, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out my description box. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.